Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Today we reflect on Tuesday, December 23rd, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes showed varied results. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,909.2, gaining 30.54 points, achieving a new all-time high. The Dow 30 index rose 79.73 points to 48,442.42. The Nasdaq Composite Index added 133.1 points, closing at 23,561.84. In contrast, the S&P 400 MidCap Index in the Russell 2000 Index saw declines. Despite an upward trend in key benchmarks, declines outpaced advances. In the S&P 500, 283 stocks fell, outnumbering 209 advances. The Nasdaq saw 2,053 declines, surpassing 941 advances. Conversely, the Dow recorded 20 gains against 10 losses, suggesting strength in fewer, large stocks. Over the week, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posted notable total returns of over 1%, indicating an optimistic market. The Dow followed with around 0.6%. Despite a slight dip today, the S&P 400 and the Russell 2000 maintained a trend of positive returns year to date. Leading sectors showed moderate gains. Communications services and technology climbed close to 1%, underscoring investor confidence. The energy sector ended higher, continuing its three-day rise. In contrast, utilities and basic materials faced mixed trends but closed positively. In sectors with declines, consumer defensive fell for the fourth straight day, reflecting a strong negative trend. Slight retreats were seen in healthcare, industrials, and real estate. Yet financial services reached a new all-time high, breaking its negative streak. Globally, ETFs from Denmark and Brazil led gains with upwards of 2%. Australia and Mexico also posted over 1% increases, continuing strong upward trends. South Korea kept its momentum, closing higher for the fourth day. Year to date, ETFs from Mexico and South Korea boast substantial returns of over 50% and 80% respectively. Brazil follows with a notable 40% return. Denmark and Australia also show solid growth, reflecting a robust global market environment. In the tech sector, Apple closed at 272.36, up 1.39. Alphabet saw a rise to 315.68, gaining 4.35 amidst a very strong positive trend. Amazon ended at 232.14, advancing 3.71 on consistent four-day gains. Meta Platforms added 3.44, closing at 664.94 despite a mixed negative trend. NVIDIA led the pack with a 5.53 increase to 189.22, showing significant upward volatility today.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 87,688.3, down 868.74, holding a strong negative trajectory for the second consecutive day. Ethereum is priced at 2,971.16, falling 36.53 with a negative trend. Meanwhile, BNB is down to 844.49, losing 13.92 amidst a negative trend. Solana stands at 124.41, a downward shift of 1.44 with noticeable sideways movement. Dogecoin sees a drop of 0.0030, indicating a very strong negative trend as it currently trades at 0.1294. Focusing on returns, Bitcoin shows a week-to-date total return of -1.07%. BNB slides with a -1.6 6% move today and has a positive year-to-date return of 20.47%. Dogecoin faces a challenging period with its month-to-date total return down 11.34%. Solana continues its downward streak, influenced by year-to-date losses of 34.11%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is showing weakening trends against major currencies. It currently stands at 0.8478 against the euro, down by 0.0023. Against the British pound, it's trading at 0.7400, depreciating by 0.0027. Volatility is also evident with some downward movements noted.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.